video, we're going to talk about how to find the maximum point on a parabola like this. We've already taken an equation, we've written it in Newton's formula, so this right here is the equation that I'm working with. I've typed it into my y equals, so there it is, and I've adjusted my window. Excuse me, if you need help with any of those steps, check out the other videos. I've posted a video for each one of those topics. So now looking at my graph, suppose I wanted to know what the maximum height of the ball was. I'm going to go to the Calc menu, which is up above the Trace button. So I'm going to hit Second, Trace. And the option that's going to help me is Maximum. So I'm going to go down to option number 4 and hit Enter. When I hit Enter, this question comes up that says left bound. What you're trying to do is telling your calculator, look between here and here. Okay, you're setting the boundaries for your calculator. So when it says left bound, you want to move your little blinky cursor somewhere to the left of the bump. It doesn't matter how far down you go. Just go somewhere to the left and hit Enter. You'll see this little arrow pop up. So that's your calculator's way of kind of setting its own boundary right there. Now it says right bound. So I'm going to move my arrow back to the right. And again, I want to go somewhere to the right of the bump. Doesn't matter how far. Hit Enter over there. And so now your calculator has its two boundaries set, and it's going to look for the highest point between those two arrows. When it says guess, you just hit Enter one more time. Okay, and so this tells you the information that you need. Remember, in one of these problems, X is your time and Y is your height. So at 2.2 seconds, the ball will reach a height of 26.2 meters. And I know it's in meters because the original problem was in meters. So if the question asked, how long will it take to reach the maximum height, that would be 2.2 seconds. If it asked you, what is the maximum height, that would be 26.2 meters.